함께 뮤비를 기다리고 있을 아미 여러분 오래 기다리셨습니다.
네, 방탄소년단이 드디어 정규 5집 아리랑으로 돌아왔습니다.
아리랑.
좋아요.
아리랑은 저의 정체성과 또 K-팝이라는 저희의 뿌리를 바탕으로 멤버 모두의 진심이 담겨 있는 앨범인데요. 오랜 시간 만에 또 여러분을 만나는 만큼 그동안의 그리움 또 앞으로도 좋은 음악 조금 더 달라진 저희 함께 하고 싶다는 마음을
I'm already tearing up.
Oh
no. Pull yourself together, Mo.
타이틀곡 Swim은 끝없는 고민이 몰려와도 멈추지 않고 함께 헤엄쳐
Oh, look at
나가겠다.
Jin.
다시 만난 팬분들과 함께 앞으로 나아가겠다는 저희의 의지를 노래하는 곡입니다.
네, 그리고 이번 앨범 준비하면서 아미 여러분들을 다시 만날 생각에 저희도 기쁜 마음으로 열심히 준비했는데요.
그 첫 번째 뮤비 공개를 앞두고 있어서 그런지 굉장히 두근두근 아주 떨리네요.
네, 저희를 한결같이 기다려준 아미에게 바치는 최고의 러브송인 만큼 저희의 마음을 가득 담았으니 마음껏 즐겨주시길 바랍니다.
Oh my gosh.
자, 긴 말 필요 없이 바로
Look at
확인하러
the
가보실까요?
comments. I know they're. Oh my god. This is crazy, Mo. Oh my god.
5, 4, 2, 1, let's go!
Oh my god. Here we go. Here we go, Mo. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. This is crazy. Let's fucking go. Oh man. Should I full screen it?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna put chat away too.
Swim, swim, waterfall in off your skin. Swim, swim, I could spend a lifetime watching you swim, swim. This is how it all begins. Swim, swim, I just wanna dive, I just wanna dive. Bad world, gone away, I still wake up in this mad world. Name a place that I can breathe on this mad world. Looking like
This is crazy.
bad world, don't know how to act, girl. I'm in the deep, tell me where the hell you at, girl. Oh, you ain't even gotta love me back, girl. You know that I'm never holding back, girl. Yeah, it's so easy to make it so hard. Nights like these.
Oh my god.
You'll
marry me. Oh my god, they no. Oh.
I could spend a lifetime watching you swim, swim. This is how it all begins. Swim, swim. I just wanna dive, I just wanna dive. Water so deep, water so deep. Take it off the ground, I ain't never getting cold feet. Yeah, you know me, yeah, you know me. Sitting on the shore, now I'm ready for the whole thing. I can feel the high waves coming. Why you run away, you can run it. Salt on my tongue, she's stunning. You're the only place that I wanna be. Yeah, swim, swim. Waterfall in
Oh
off your
my
skin.
god.
Swim, swim.
Oh Jesus.
I could spend a lifetime watching you swim, swim, swim.
Jin, I swear to God. Oh my god, they're wearing little hats. Oh my god.
I just wanna take it across the line. Under here, it'll change the time. Baby, everything can be so sad. Through my face from the west. I just wanna dive, I just wanna dive. Swim, swim. Waterfalling off your skin. Swim, swim. I could spend a lifetime watching you swim, swim, swim. Let it all begin. Swim, swim. I just wanna dive, I just wanna dive.
Oh my god. I'm gonna kiss all of them on the mouth. Oh my god. Wow. That was so good. What the fuck? Damn.
I wonder what the rest is like.
I don't know, but that was beautiful. 100%. They're sexy as hell. Oh, BTS is back, bitch. They're so back. We're so back, baby. Wow. That was incredible. Ugh.